I'll be showing you how to accept or how to reject an incoming call on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So when you have an incoming call, you can accept by swiping up like that. That's going to connect the phone call or accept the phone call. Now, alternatively, if you wanted to reject the phone call, then all you have to do is swipe up on this other button. So just hold and swipe up, okay? And that's going to reject the incoming call. Now, if you prefer taps over swiping, then you can go into settings. Under settings, go to accessibility. Under accessibility, tap on interaction and dexterity. And then under that, you first of all have to go to assistant menu and enable assistant menu. Okay. Now, when you enable assistant menu, you're always going to have this assistant icon float on your screen. Okay. But you can move it somewhere convenient. And if you want to, you can put the transparency all the way to the max so that you don't see it. Because when transparency is like this, it's very visible. If you don't want to use it, then you have to put it all the way to the max. Now, for this specific tutorial, you do not need this assistant menu, but it gives you the option to replace swipe with single tap. So go ahead and enable that. And then now, when you have an incoming call, of course, the assistant menu button is just floating somewhere here, but it gives you the option to tap to receive or reject a phone call. So if you have a call like that, you can just tap. Same goes for rejecting incoming calls. Just a single tap. So it mainly depends on what you want. And if you want to go back to swiping instead of tapping and get rid of the assistant menu altogether, you can just turn that off. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.